morning and welcome to a daily morning updates from Estate Broking Services. This is Prasad Manuel. Last week we saw another week session to end the week down with 1%, and Nifty was coming down close to 3% from the highs of 15,400 levels. So we saw bank led the markets to lower as the private banks also came down to profit booking with the rise in crude prices, and there's a concern about bond deals in US acting as a point of concern where these are making the market to do a short-term profit booking. So we saw auto, private banks and infra stocks were the losers on last Friday, while IT, FMCG and select natural gas stocks were able to gain the trend in we saw in the difficult Friday session. And regarding the FII numbers, for the first time after long duration, we are seeing FIIs into just 3-digit numbers. That too, just they are buying 118 crores, and DA sold close to 1,174 crores. So we can clearly see this bond yield is making a serious concern in the minds of the FIIs, and the buying gradually coming down every day. We are seeing that. So that is leading to the weakness in the market. And so there are important data to be watched out for the week. Let me just quickly give you an update on that. Herberna Industries is to come out with an IPO on February 23rd. It is crop protection chemical maker, so the price band for that will be around rupees 626 to 627. Nalco share buyback on February 25th. The aluminum major is coming up with a buyback of rupees 749 crores worth of shares. Its offer opens from 25th February and closes on March 10. So these are the important data we need to watch out for the week. So what is the market setup for the day? We are seeing SGS Nifty is sort of flat and mildly positive. We can't say it is completely positive. The last I checked, it was in 15 points up and it was 15,009. US markets ended very flat. Dow Jones, Nasdaq, everything ended very flat, and the morning Asian markets also were seen in green, but still some profit booking started happening in the Asian markets today. So we need to watch out for the XGS Nifty numbers. It is indicating a flat start for our markets, so this may also be evident that our market also will have a mildly flat start today. So the trade setup, there's a question which is coming up with whether this fall will prove to be a buying opportunity. Like every time when we see that whenever the market falls 500 points, we saw the market just zooms up again to another 600 point and it rallies to the highs. So every time when the market is touching the 20-day DMA, so we can see some buying. Last week also we explained that any numbers which is any indicator that is below 15,000 which is a sign of weakness we were discussing, and we saw that in Friday itself the markets were plunging. And the positive thing, as you see in the graph now, is the market just zoomed up 100 points from 14,900 to 15,000 levels, just nearby to close in that levels. So it indicates that the 14,900 level will act as a initial support. We need to see whether this support is getting withheld buying coming in that area, or there is a chance of the breakout. We need to watch out this level, very important. And the 20-day DMA level of 14,750 also plays a very vital role. I will still now the market is in a positive trend. Still it is in a bull market only. We have not seen a big level of corrections happening in the market, and any correction below 14,750 and 700 will indicate a sign of weakness, and we can see some trend reversal happening. So the important levels we need to keep on mind is we need to keep the mind of 14,900 levels in the support area and 14,750 for the week. And for the buying might come back. If buying comes back and if market goes above 15,144 or 15,200, we can see some bullish momentum coming, and we can see every time when it touches the low, the market zooms up. Will it happen again? We need to wait and watch. So for today, we can expect the pharma, IT and select PSU stocks to perform well, and the broader market, the mid-cap market will see some high volatility today because we are heading into the monthly expiry. So this is the last week of this month, so there will be more volatile because of the expiry rollovers will happen this week. So need to be careful on the support and resistance level. So the put and option writing, that is the option chain analysis, what it indicates, the put writing is happening at around 14,800, 14,500 and 14,900 levels. Call writing is happening around levels of 15,200, 15,500 and 15,000. So it gives us a clear spread for this week. We can expect somewhere around 14,700 to 15,300 levels. This is what expectation this week. We need to keep in mind these levels. So the Indian VIX volatility index is slightly up, close to 22.25 levels. It was in 21.5. So it's slightly good. It shows the volatility just increased. So the levels for the support levels for today, especially today, will be around Nifty support will be around 14,800. Resistance will be around 15,150. For the Bank Nifty, around 35,550 will be the support level, and resistance will be around 36,450. No results for this week, so we start directly go into the important stocks to watch out. The important stocks which we need to watch out is Torrent Power, Jubilant Foodworks, Adani Port, Tata Consumer, PNB Housing Finance. Why we are mentioning these stocks? Log into our Telegram channel where we are giving the detailed analysis why we are highlighting these are the important stocks to watch out for the day. Wishing you all success. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.